Hello, and welcome back to Naturalhub. Today, we're diving into the world of skin tags, those tiny, harmless growths that can appear on the skin. Did you know that certain foods can contribute to their formation? But don't worry, we'll also explore natural remedies to remove them and promote healthy skin. Let's start by understanding what skin tags are and what causes them. Skin tags, medically known as acrocordons, are small, soft growths that typically form in areas where skin rubs against skin or clothing. While genetics and hormonal changes can play a role, diet and lifestyle factors also contribute to their development. One of the key factors in skin tag formation is insulin resistance. Foods high in sugar, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels and insulin resistance, creating an environment conducive to the growth of skin tags. Our first step towards managing skin tags naturally is adopting a healthier diet. Incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of skin tag formation. Now let's explore natural remedies to remove skin tags. One effective method is using apple cider vinegar. Its acidic properties can help shrink and dry out skin tags over time. Another popular remedy is tea tree oil, known for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Applying diluted tea tree oil directly to the skin tags can help reduce their size and discomfort. Alternatively, you can try using aloe vera gel. Its soothing and healing properties make it an excellent natural remedy for skin tags. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to the affected area daily for best results. Lastly, maintaining proper skincare practices is essential. Keeping the affected area clean and moisturized can prevent skin irritation and reduce the likelihood of new skin tags forming. Remember, while these natural remedies can be effective, it's essential to consult with a dermatologist if you have concerns about your skin tags. They can provide personalized advice and recommend appropriate treatments. By making healthy dietary choices, incorporating natural remedies, and practicing good skincare habits, you can manage skin tags effectively and promote overall skin health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Here's to happy, healthy skin.